Refurbished from GFP Woodwork Machinery, just showcasing a very nice Robland 3.2 meter sliding table panel saw. Simple, high quality panel saw coming from the Netherlands. Robland has been in the industry for decades. It's an extremely reliable, very well known and respected woodwork machine brand. When you buy a high quality European machine like this, you can rest assured that you will have long-term production. A problem with many of the lighter machines coming from the East is that they have a lifespan of approximately a year or two. This panel saw, while not in completely perfect condition, you can show it's done a little bit of work. It's still less than half the price of the same machine new. It's been fully serviced and it will give at least another decade or two of good production. Robland is famous for their sliding tables, with many of them having a lifelong guarantee. Main blade, scoring blade, adjustable rib fence, cross-cut, tilt. These machines are approximately 189 new, 180,000 Rand new, about $10,000. This specs pre-owned machine is going for 89,000 Rand, so you're saving approximately 100,000 Rand. And because the machine's been fully serviced, you can rest assured you are getting the best quality and you have peace of mind because you're buying from a quality supplier and your machine won't give you any trouble. GFP is famous for the customer service. Sometimes there's issues with machines, but we always sort it out.